Are you tired of staring at your computer screen, daydreaming about far-off lands and exciting adventures? Do you find yourself scrolling through Instagram, envying those lucky souls who seem to be living their best life while traveling the world? Well, my friend, it's time to stop dreaming and start doing. In this video, we're going to show you how you can earn money to travel the world. Yes, that's right, you don't need a trust fund or a winning lottery ticket. With some smart planning and a little hustle, you can turn your wanderlust into a reality. So buckle up and get ready for an epic journey both in terms of travel destinations and financial freedom. Pick a destination. When it comes to picking a destination for your travels, the world is truly your oyster. From bustling cities to serene beaches, historic landmarks to breathtaking natural wonders, there's something out there that will capture your heart and ignite your sense of adventure. Start by asking yourself what type of experience you're seeking. Are you craving a cultural immersion in Europe? Or perhaps an adrenaline-fueled escapade in Southeast Asia? Maybe you're drawn to the wild landscapes of South America or the vibrant diversity of Africa. Whatever it may be, trust your instincts and choose a destination that speaks to your soul. Consider factors such as budget, climate, safety, and visa requirements when making your decision. Research different countries and regions, read travel blogs and forums for first-hand accounts from fellow adventurers. Get inspired by stunning photographs and captivating travel stories. If you're having trouble narrowing down your options, let's face it, there are just too many incredible places on this planet. Make a list of must-see destinations. Prioritize them based on personal preferences or even consult with friends who have traveled before for their recommendations. Remember that choosing a destination is not set in stone. Flexibility is key. Embrace spontaneity and be open to unexpected opportunities along the way. The beauty of traveling lies in discovering new places and experiencing different cultures firsthand, so go ahead, take that leap into the unknown. Find cheap flights. Finding cheap flights is essential when you want to travel the world on a budget. Here are some tips to help you score great deals and save money on airfare. First, be flexible with your travel dates. Prices can vary significantly depending on the day of the week and time of year. Use flight search engines like Skyscanner or Google Flights to compare prices across different airlines and find the cheapest options. Another trick is to consider alternative airports. Sometimes flying into a nearby airport can save you hundreds of dollars. Research transportation options from that airport to your destination and see if it's worth the extra effort. Additionally, signing up for airline newsletters or following them on social media can give you access to exclusive deals and promotions. Keep an eye out for flash sales or limited-time offers that could help you snag a cheap flight. Consider booking separate legs of your journey instead of round-trip tickets. This strategy allows you to mix and match airlines, potentially saving money in the process. Be open to layovers or connecting flights as they often come at lower prices than direct routes. While it may take longer to reach your destination, it's an excellent opportunity for exploring new places along the way. By using these strategies, finding cheap flights becomes more accessible, allowing you to stretch your travel budget further and explore more destinations around the world. Get a travel credit card. One of the easiest ways to earn money for your travel adventures is by getting a travel credit card. These cards are specifically designed to help you accumulate rewards points that can be used towards flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. When choosing a travel credit card, look for one that offers generous sign-up bonuses and rewards programs. Some cards even offer bonus points just for making everyday purchases like groceries or gas. Once you have your shiny new travel credit card, start using it for all of your expenses, big and small. Paying with your card will not only help you build up those valuable reward points but also provide you with additional protection in case of theft or loss. To maximize the benefits of your travel credit card, try to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. This way, you can enjoy all the perks without any financial burdens. Remember to do thorough research on different credit cards before making a decision. Look at annual fees, interest rates, and any hidden charges that may come along with certain cards. It's important to choose one that fits your lifestyle and spending habits. So why wait? Start earning those reward points today by getting yourself a reliable travel credit card. Your dream trip around the world could be closer than you think. Use airline miles and hotel points. One of the best ways to save money on travel expenses is by utilizing airline miles and hotel points. Many airlines offer frequent flyer programs that reward you with miles for every flight you take. These miles can then be redeemed for free or discounted flights to your desired destination. Similarly, hotels often have loyalty programs that allow you to earn points for each night you stay. These points can be used towards future stays or even upgrades to nicer rooms. To maximize your savings, it's important to sign up for these loyalty programs before booking any travel. Make sure to compare different options and choose the program that offers the most value for your needs. Once enrolled in a program, make an effort to accumulate as many miles and points as possible. This can be achieved by consistently choosing the same airline or hotel chain whenever possible. By strategically using your accumulated airline miles and hotel points, you can significantly reduce the cost of travel, making it more affordable to explore new destinations around the world. Stay in hostels or couchsurf. When it comes to traveling the world on a budget, finding affordable accommodation is key. One great option is to stay in hostels. These dorm-style accommodations provide a comfortable bed and often include communal areas where you can meet other travelers from around the globe. Hostels are not only cost-effective but also offer a unique social experience that you won't get staying in expensive hotels. Another fantastic option for budget-conscious travelers is couchsurfing. This innovative platform allows you to connect with locals who are willing to let you stay at their place for free. It's an incredible opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture, make new friends, and save money on accommodation all at once. Couchsurfing isn't just about finding a place to crash. It's about building connections and experiencing destinations through the eyes of locals. By staying with someone who knows the area well, you'll gain invaluable insights into hidden gems, local traditions, and must-visit spots that may not be mentioned in guidebooks. Of course, safety should always be a top priority when choosing either hostels or couchsurfing as your accommodation option. Read reviews from previous guests, check out photos of the property or space offered by hosts, and communicate openly with potential hosts before making any decisions. Whether you choose hostels or opt for couchsurfing experiences while traveling, these options will undoubtedly help stretch your budget so you can explore more places without breaking the bank. So pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable adventure without worrying too much about expensive accommodations. Work while you travel. One of the best ways to fund your travels around the world is by working while you're on the move. Not only does it provide a source of income, but it also allows you to immerse yourself in different cultures and truly experience life in each destination. There are various opportunities available for those seeking work while traveling. One popular option is teaching English as a foreign language. Many countries have a high demand for English teachers, and with the right qualifications, you can secure a job that provides both financial stability and an opportunity to explore new places. Another option is remote work or freelancing. With advancements in technology, more and more jobs can be done remotely. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there's likely an opportunity out there for you to earn money while traveling. If you have specific skills or expertise in areas like photography or social media management, consider leveraging these talents to become a digital nomad. Many companies are willing to pay for compelling visual content or assistance with managing their online presence. Alternatively, if you prefer physical work and don't mind getting your hands dirty, look into seasonal jobs such as fruit picking or working at ski resorts during winter months. Remember that finding work abroad may require some research and networking beforehand. Look for job boards specifically catering to travelers or connect with other expats who may be able to point you in the right direction. By combining work with travel, not only will you be able to sustain yourself financially but also create memories that will last a lifetime. Be a freelance writer, photographer, or social media influencer. If you have a passion for writing, photography, or social media, then why not turn your hobbies into a way to earn money while traveling the world? With the rise of digital nomadism and remote work opportunities, there has never been a better time to pursue freelance gigs in these creative fields. As a freelance writer, you can pitch article ideas to online publications or blogs that focus on travel. Share your experiences and insights with readers who are eager to learn about different destinations. From city guides to personal narratives, there are endless possibilities for showcasing your writing skills while getting paid. For those with an eye for capturing moments through the lens of a camera, freelance photography offers exciting prospects. Sell your photos as stock images or collaborate with travel brands and tourism boards to create stunning visual content. Your unique perspective can inspire others to explore new places and cultures. In today's digital age where social media platforms dominate our lives, becoming a social media influencer is another avenue worth exploring. Build an engaged following by sharing captivating travel photos and stories on Instagram or YouTube. Collaborate with brands looking for authentic influencers who can promote their products or services in an organic way. Remember that building any successful freelancing career takes time and effort. Networking within your chosen industry is crucial. Attend conferences and connect with other professionals in person when possible. Develop your portfolio by continually improving your craft and seeking feedback from peers. While being a freelancer allows you flexibility in terms of location independence, it's important to manage your income carefully during periods when projects may be scarce. Save up during busy times so that you have financial security during slower periods. By leveraging your creative talents as a freelance writer, photographer, or social media influencer while traveling the world will not only provide you with memorable experiences but also give you the opportunity to share them with others along the way. So go ahead. Capture breathtaking landscapes, write inspiring stories, and create a digital footprint that will serve. Conclusion. Earning money to travel the world is not an impossible dream. With careful planning and a bit of creativity, you can make your wanderlust a reality. Start by picking a destination that excites you and research ways to travel there on a budget. Look for cheap flights and consider getting a travel credit card to earn rewards that can be used towards future trips. Don't forget about the power of airline miles and hotel points. They can help offset the cost of accommodations and transportation. Consider staying in hostels or couchsurfing to save even more money on lodging expenses. If you're willing to work while you travel, there are plenty of opportunities available. Become a freelance writer, photographer, or social media influencer. These jobs allow you the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world while funding your adventures. Remember, it's important to stay motivated and committed to your goal of traveling the world. Keep saving money, exploring new income streams, and networking with like-minded individuals who share your passion for globetrotting. So go ahead, take that first step towards fulfilling your dreams. Start planning now, and before you know it, you'll be embarking on incredible journeys around the globe without breaking the bank.